Hi everybody, and welcome back to Santa's Fun Time. Today, Santa is opening the largest toy so far on this channel. And today, we have Vampirina's B&B Scare B&B. And this is the outside of the box. As you can see, it is very cool looking. And V, or Vampirina, lights up. How cool is that? So let's look at the back side. We can see inside all the stuff that you get. And you've watched our other videos, make sure you check out my other openings where I opened up all the figures in the car and all that, and so we can see that too. And let's get this open so we can see all the neat stuff that this has to offer. So let's get to it. And here we have the Scare B&B open and all assembled. It comes with Poppy, who is V's friend. We have a special V, which she has a little spot, if you look on the bottom, where she can sit and she will light up when you push on her head. So we'll get to that. First off, let's take a look at how big this is. So we will go up. Look at how tall this house is. Get all the way to the top here. And then you can see that this actually raises to be even taller. So now you get a closer look at this house. And all the detail. Look at the iron fence out front. The door, all the cobwebs, we have bats hanging out. Isn't that cool? So let's get a real close look at the inside, and we'll start at the bottom. Okay, so here is the bottom with a clear staircase. The staircase will flip up like this. So it has the little table down here with two chairs. If we look real close on the inside, you'll see the hovering food. We can push down and it pops up. And when you push down on the sandwich, the pot of stuff will raise up. So let's bring down this stairs and go upstairs to the second level here. The second level, we have a couch, we have our picture over here, and then we have a hidden bookcase. This behind the bookcase, we have a bed. So that is so nice. I can take this off and show you. Inside the bed has its little bedding. It snaps back in there. We can close this back up. Now we go up to the top level. It's way up there. Oh, we forgot to do the third level. In the third level, we have our little jukebox or record player with the skeleton arm on it. Isn't that neat? And then you can put your characters up in here. And now we can dance to the music. Isn't that cool? So, then Poppy, there's little places for Poppy to stand. Poppy is over here, and this is Vampirina. And see how she glows. Lights up. Isn't that cool? Alright, so let's go up to the top. Now this is the top floor. We have another bed up top, along with a pillow to go on top of the bed. And it looks like a bat. So that goes up top. And if we go in real close, we can see there's a picture on the wall with Vampirina and Poppy. And this bed also can come out. So you can rearrange it and Poppy can stand up here. And there she is glowing up top. Isn't that cool? And the fancy little chimney. So this is a very fun toy. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of these toys, please let me know with a comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.